Today, I am reviewing HP Flagship 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a laptop that strikes the perfect balance between performance, versatility, and portability, the HP Flagship 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop powered by the AMD Ryzen 7-7730U is an excellent choice. Whether you're a business professional, a student, or someone who needs a reliable laptop for personal use, this device has been designed to meet demanding modern-day needs without compromising style or functionality. At just 3.5 pounds with a sleek silver finish, it's lightweight enough to carry anywhere while still packing powerful hardware under the hood. At the heart of this laptop is the AMD Ryzen 7-7730U processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads with a base clock of 2.0 GHz that can turbo boost up to 4.5 GHz. This ensures smooth multitasking, fast response times, and efficient power use whether you're browsing dozens of tabs, editing large files, handling spreadsheets, or even diving into light gaming and creative tasks. Paired with AMD Radeon integrated graphics, it's capable of delivering fluid visuals for entertainment, productivity, and casual gaming, making it a truly versatile machine. The 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen display is another standout feature. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, it offers vibrant colors and sharp details that enhance your viewing experience. The touchscreen functionality makes navigation more intuitive, whether you're scrolling through presentations, editing documents, or streaming your favorite content. The anti-glare coating ensures that the screen remains comfortable to use in different lighting conditions, which is especially important for students or professionals working on the go or in bright environments. Memory and storage are where this HP laptop really shines. Out of the box, it comes with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, which means you can run multiple applications side by side without worrying about slowdowns. Whether it's Microsoft Office, creative apps, or dozens of browser tabs, the performance remains steady. On top of that, the 1 TB solid-state drive provides lightning-fast boot times, near-instant application launches, and plenty of storage for documents, media, and large project files. For users who need even more, this laptop can be configured up to 64 GB of RAM and a massive 2 TB of SSD storage, making it future-proof for years to come. Connectivity and convenience are also well thought out. The laptop includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, ensuring fast and stable wireless connections for video calls, file transfers, and streaming. Speaking of calls, the built-in 720p HD camera with a privacy shutter, combined with dual-array microphones and stereo speakers, provides a solid setup for virtual meetings, online classes, or casual video chats. Having a physical shutter adds peace of mind by protecting your privacy when the camera is not in use. The keyboard comes with a full numeric keypad, which is particularly useful for business professionals, students handling data entry, or anyone who frequently works with numbers. The Windows 11 Pro operating system pre-installed on this laptop provides additional productivity features, security tools, and seamless integration with modern software. What makes this even better is the inclusion of Microsoft Copilot, an AI-powered tool that helps boost productivity by assisting with tasks, content creation, and workflow management. This elevates the overall user experience, ensuring that your laptop isn't just a machine, but a true productivity partner. Port selection is practical and varied. You'll find USB Type-A and USB Type-C ports, HDMI for external displays, and a headphone and microphone combo jack, covering all the essentials for connecting external monitors, peripherals, and accessories. Combined with its slim profile of only 0.73 inches and weight of 3.52 pounds, it makes for a compact yet powerful laptop that is easy to slip into a bag and carry to class, the office, or while traveling. Finally, this laptop is designed with everyday convenience and long-term value in mind. From its sleek silver finish to its performance-driven Ryzen 7 processor, ample memory and storage, immersive touchscreen display, and AI-powered productivity features, the HP Flagship 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop is more than just a computer. It's a reliable companion for business, education, and personal use. If you're looking for a machine that can keep up with demanding workloads, adapt to future needs, and still remain lightweight and portable, this laptop makes an excellent investment.